Hi Aquarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do another love read for you. This is from now Aquarius till the end of March. Let's see what's going on in your love life, how you're doing, how your person is doing, and what action we can expect now in your love life. And these are general collective readings, Aquarius, will not resonate with all of you. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. Welcome back, my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. And if you're new here, we welcome you in. Do subscribe to our channel. And if any of you are looking for a private reading, Aquarius, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. So, as usual, Aquarius, this is for me, side A. This is going to be side B. If this is your story, you will know immediately which side you resonate best with, right? So, let's begin. Okay, so things are kind of stagnated at the moment, it seems, here, Aquarius, in your partnership here. Some bad memories have been created, and somebody is now healing from that, whatever's happened in this connection. The other person, person B, feels that this is not right, justice has not been done, because now they've been abandoned, they're feeling left out, and they're feeling left behind. But this partnership is definitely kind of stagnated right now. Okay. So these two cards, Aquarius, will open later. This is the most likely action you guys will take towards each other. But before that, let's take some dialogue message cards and see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. Aquarius and their person, spirit. Aquarius and their person. Okay. Let's take some from here, which are true confessions. Okay. Good to go now, Aquarius. Let's start our reading. The first card here says, I'm trying to be the person that you see me to be. I never thought I could be that person. The journey has been difficult but needed. I'm proud of who I have become. Somebody may have kind of found their self-worth now in this connection. Realize their worth and realize that I can't be in a connection which is not serving me well. I can't stop thinking about the times we once shared. Somebody is thinking about it now. I'm having a hard time believing that you really love me. I just have other responsibilities to take care of. You changed up, and that triggers me. I have to improve myself and my life to feel worthy of you. Yes, there are two cards suggesting the same. I have to improve myself and my life to feel worthy of you, and I'm trying to be a better person so that, I can be the kind of person you think that I should be or can be. So there is trouble in paradise here. Okay, so let's see what's going on here. Let me start with the energy of person A. So Aquarius, you could be here, person A, or you could be the other side, right? I'm just reading two energies here. Six of Cups, Spirit. Why is the Six of Cups in reverse? Why is the Six of Cups in reverse? Now, what seemed like a good friendship, a good partnership, a soulmate connection has kind of lost that zing to it. Maybe at one time there was a lot of love here, a lot of passion, but somebody didn't put in the work. somebody didn't put in this work, and now the memories created are not that great. So right now I think person A is just kind of taking a step back to think about it, think about the times when you guys were happy, thinking about the times when you guys had love between the two of you, and now feeling left out in the cold from it. They're thinking about the love they once had. They're thinking about, the 10 of cups, the happily ever after, and realizing that they didn't put in enough work to keep this going, and now feeling they've lost it. Now they're feeling abandoned, left out, gone. And now when they see their future, they see nothing but emptiness. There is nothing in front of this person except empty land. So now this person doesn't know what to do, and they're feeling like they lost a beautiful person. So what happened in the past, Spirit, for this person, for the situation to become the way it is? 7 of Pentacles in reverse. Somebody never put in the effort, and they didn't invest when the time was right, and that ended up making 7 of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit. 7 of Pentacles in reverse. Yeah, this person never took responsibility in the past. They were taking responsibility stressed this person out. That, oh my God, I have to be that person that you want me to be, and I would rather be, I want to play around a little more. I don't want to grow up yet. I don't want to be that responsible person yet. And they always did this and never this, and that kind of their partner had no choice but to pick their sword up and saying, hey, listen, if you're not going to grow up, then how is it going to work? Then I'll have to pick myself up and my sword up and start kind of taking action to work out what's best for my life. Because what's happening in our connection is I end up with all the burden. You're not willing to do your part in this connection. And I'm getting tired of being the only one holding, all the wands. So now I'm going to drop those wands and pick up my sword instead, and maybe think of what works for me. So how does person A now think about this connection, or person B? They see their person as going off for a fresh new beginning for themselves and putting an end to this connection. So the Fool card, Spirit, why do they see their person starting anew? Why is the Fool card here? They see that the person has been working on themselves, and from being the Queen of Swords, they've turned into the Empress. Who they're doing well, they're looking good, they're concentrating on their own abundance, their own happiness, and they've gone off for a fresh new beginning and gone off cut them off totally. They've totally cut them off, and it's been sudden. So sudden that it's left person A now feeling, oh my God, what do I do? Now person A is having sleepless nights. They don't know what to do. They, heart of hearts, they would love to rush back to person B, but they now know that, it's come to an end, and they may not be even welcome anymore. Why do they feel the Death card, Spirit, about this connection or person B? Death card. Yeah, they feel that the partner's no longer interested in talking to them. They feel, even though now I recognize that I have love for my partner, I will not be given a chance to speak my truth anymore, because they won't believe me anyway. Now there's silence between the two of you, and they feel that person B has already called it quits. This is almost like the Death card again. So they feel now there's no point, there is no forward movement is going to be allowed. It's already come to an end, and now person A is sitting here feeling awful. They can't stop thinking about the times that were shared now and what they didn't do. So what action now person A will take, we'll open later, Aquarius. Let's see how person B is doing. Person B has the Justice in reverse. So Aquarius, this side could be you or that side. I've already told you that. So now you listen to this energy and see where you resonate. So they're feeling that, this was a very imbalanced connection. I don't want to always be in a connection where I'm always considered not good enough or always left out or always abandoned. I'm shutting this chapter off. I'm closing this chapter. I don't want to live in a connection which is never going to do right by me. Five of Pentacles in reverse. Five of Pentacles in reverse. Yeah, they feel there was too much conflict in this connection. This always, fighting and always feeling in lack and feeling sad and alone and left out. They don't want all that. They want to move ahead now. They want the wheel of fortune to favor them. They don't want to be stagnant. They want to now start a brand new chapter of their life where things will flow with good energy. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit? They got out of their own confusion. Maybe for a while they were confused about what to do, but now I think they've stopped making any moves to person A, and we saw that person A was feeling there's no communication now, and this person has stopped kind of moving, backwards and gotten out of their confusion. Yeah, if they were waiting for communication to come from person A, they were going back and forth in their mind to say, will they call me, will they not, waiting for action, waiting for a message. I think person B has kind of given up. They're not even waiting. They've gotten over that waiting or confusion period as well. Seven of Cups in reverse. Yes, this person is healing. They've suddenly realized, my God, I should just heal myself, and I can go on for new opportunities now. The whole wide world is open to me. There are new opportunities available to me. Why am I waiting around for something which is never going to give me never going to choose me, okay? And always keep me in confusion. So I think person B has kind of made up their mind now. How do they see person A? How does person B feel about person A or this connection? They feel that my partner was not strong enough for this connection. They feel their partner had false ego. One more. Yes, they feel their partner was always kind of trying to put them down to make themselves look stronger and bigger, but in reality, they were not strong at all. They used to just play these mind games with them to say, hey, it's my way or the highway, or I have to win, because internally they were never confident about themselves. They feel that it's better that, they are left by themselves to ponder over what they've done to this connection and what they've ruined. They feel that their partner is now thinking about, it's becoming clear to them as to what they've lost. Okay, they feel their partner always made them feel like a loser in this connection. Six of Wands in reverse. Yes. And they feel that their partner may be right now in regret and sorrow for the way they've behaved. But I think person B is now standing strong and holding themselves back and protecting themselves. They're not interested. They're just not interested, I think, from what I feel. Let's see what action person A will take towards person B. Five of Cups in reverse. They feel even if I make a move towards person B now, this person is so they're not going to trust me because I've done this to them. I've made them feel like the Queen of Pentacles in reverse. I've never given them that position, in a partnership, what they required. Now, even if I go towards them and saying, hey, let's get out of this, looking back at the past and regret and sorrow, and let's just turn around and pick up those two cups, which can propel us to try again. Even if I try that, my person B is going to block me. They feel it's too late, maybe, that, One more. How does person A feel about the connection? Yeah, so all they are doing right now, Aquarius, the only thing person A right now can do is do nothing but sit in their This place. They're praying big time. They're praying to God, angels, whatever. They're trying to manifest this partnership to come back. They don't have the words or the courage to come and say anything because they know they've done wrong. So all they can do is maybe pray or hope, wish that somehow this connection can be saved. How does person B feel about this connection now? Queen of Cups in reverse. This person B feels that they are drained out of their love. They feel they've given and given and given and got nothing back in return. They feel their cup is totally empty now. They don't have a drop now to give to person A now, anything. They feel if they keep staying where they are, always be at crossroads, this connection will eventually backfire and hurt them again. What's the Six of Wands, Spirit? What's the Six of Wands? Six of Wands. Yes, they know. I think they know heart of hearts that their person still is looking for victory with them, is still wanting to come towards them, is still watching them. Maybe they found out that the person keeps an eye on them. But person B is relentless right now. They are not going to put that sword down right now because they know that the minute I put my sword down, it's going to backfire right back on me. And the person B needs healing. Their cup is empty. They're actually running on empty right now. They need to refuel at the moment. So I think what person B is doing, they have the world in their hands and now they're kind of contemplating. I have the whole wide world in front of me. Should I check out my new options? Is there any point in now turning around? Because what if it backfires? I can't sustain it because you can't run on empty forever, right? So that's the reason this relationship right now is at a halt. So that's all I have for you, Aquarius. Then till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.